Sorry.
Hello everyone, all are hearing me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the session on mastering version control with Git and GitHub. These are the topics now we are going to see today. My name is Mohammed Jumail and I'm an Alpha Microsoft training student ambassador. Today we will be exploring the essential of version control, specifically using Git and GitHub. Okay, now we are going to see what is version control. Anybody already know about it? If anybody know about it, tell me. You can turn on your mic or in chat box. Okay, now we are going to see what is version control. So I am going to explain about with some examples. I think you all are related to the IT field or IT related anything. So, wait a second. Okay, so in the IT field, we are going to any IT related companies or something else. We have teamwork. It collaborate to show our collaboration with teams to complete our project. So first of all, the team leader will be give a project. To example, we will get the HTML project. We will already start with the index.html. Uh, if all participants, if the team had an 5%, we will share the main project into the all the people. So everyone has a every vision and other ideas. So they will store their project into the same project. In after the conclusions, in after the gathering all their projects, we will come to the conclusion of this project. We will
Hello, your voice is not able to hear. Hello, sir. Our session is going on. Your sound is not be able.
Sorry for the introduction. Is my voice is clear?
Yes, yes, your voice is clear now.
Okay, thank you. There is some connection issue. Sorry for. Okay, okay. Introduction to Git. Anybody know about it? Introduction about Git. Anybody know about it? You can answer it. You can unmute your mic or chat in chat box. Anybody have any familiar with Git and GitHub? Okay. What is Git? Now, first we are going to, the topic is what is Git? Git is a version control system. I hope you will understand the version control system. Already I explained it. And second one, Git helps you keep track of code changes. And third one, Git is used to collaborate on code. This is the what is Git. Now we briefly explain it. Git is a version control system. It helps us to track the change made in our code or projects. It simply explain about if our code have any issues with it or our project have any fault or any bug fixes, we can use the previous version for that avoid our bugs. Git is the most popular version control system in the software development field. In the software development field, any familiar people is there, they will know that Git is the most popular version control system. You can see it, there's the 70% developers use this Git for their version control system. And also, the most developer use the Git for the purposes, it's a open source and it's a free. That's why the most developer use it, and we can use it the Git for the large project. Okay, we are moving to the next topic, introduction to GitHub. I think most of the people think Git and GitHub are the same, but it's not like that. GitHub is a website, the platform for collaborating and hosting code. But if we want to store and manage our codes or projects in GitHub, we must need the help of Git. Without Git help, we can't store any code or projects in GitHub. I think you can understand it. What is the difference between GitHub and Git? On GitHub, projects are stored in folder structure that is known as repository. If you log into a GitHub page, you can see there is a repository. This stored form we call repo. Anybody know about repository? Anybody familiar with it? Don't hesitate. If you have any answer, you can put in chat box. Because we have a practical lesson, you will understand through that practical. Okay. Now see, there are the easy way to learn Git is in your left side you can see the some most popular keywords we are using in Git. Those are such as Git, repository, commit, branch, merge, pull request, clone, remote, fork, checkout. These are the main keywords we are using in the Git to learn. Okay, next you are seeing the right side some commands are in there. We are using in command to easy way to learn Git. These are the basic commands we are using in Git. I'm not going to explain it because we have the practical session. We step by step explain it. So next we going to move into a next part. I already told you repository. The GitHub main purpose of the repository is creating a repository. Now you can see there is a window in a left side. This is the window of how we create the repository. Okay. Next, we are going to the GitHub demo practical session. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay. First of all, we are going to Google Chrome. First, we need to download Git. Okay, here is the, you can type it, Git download, and you can click the first link. Here is the, what are the purpose, what is the, your computer has the Mac OS or Windows, yeah, you're using Linux. If we have Windows, you can click the Windows. After that, what are the configuration supports for your computers, 32 bits or 64 bit, whatever you can choose it. We already installed it. That's why we are not going to install download here. Okay. Let's see Git. Okay. Here is the interface of the Git. Now we're going to configure Git. First of all, we need to create a GitHub account to configure GitHub into a Git. Okay, now let's see how to create a GitHub account. Okay, in Google Chrome, we can type into GitHub login and just enter. It's going to the page, first page, sign into the GitHub. Okay, now you can see the interface of a GitHub. There is a username or email address and password. If you already have an account, you can use your username or email address and password to sign in to going to your account. If you doesn't have account, just click create an account. If I'm going to faster, you can tell me. Or just wait. Refresh. Okay. Okay. Here is the page. Here is you can enter your email address. Okay. I'm using email address. Email already taken. So okay. This email is okay. Then continue. After that, create a password. Create a password, whatever you want. Okay. After creating a password, click continue. And here is enter a username. It's your GitHub profile username. Here is I'm going to my name. Okay. Click continue. Here is email preference. If you click and continue, you will get a OTP into your email account. Then you can create your account. Okay. If you create account, wait the page. Okay. If you after you create a account, you're going to a Git to config the GitHub. First of all, we need to type into Git config dash global username dot name double quotation into our GitHub name. What we name called in our GitHub, that name will appear is here. Okay, after that, we want to show our email address, git config dash global user dot email double quotation. Here is your email address you put into a GitHub. Here is the demo we are using for show you some examples. Okay. Okay. Here is the step. After that, we are going to the GitHub page. Here is you can see here's the window of the GitHub page. You can see in the right side top corner, you can see the profile picture. Here you can click. You can come down and see there is a settings. Click settings. Then here is you can find out the public profile. Here is you can change your name, email, whatever you want, you can change here it. After you change it, you can just click update profile, just it will change. Okay, now you next going to the part of, we already saw it, how to create repositories. Now, there is a repository tab, we can just click it, and here is, you can see new tab, just click the new tab. And here is, you can see repository name. Here is, we can type the repository name, whatever you want. Just I am typing demo git and choose an owner who has the GitHub and I'm clicking myself. Okay. Here is a description. If you want to write a code or project similar that we can memorably, we want to know out later, we can describe whatever we want. Okay. I'm just typing my first GitHub, GitHub. Okay. Okay, now see there is a two-step public and private. In the public is I already told this is an open source. If we choose the public, anyone can access our repository. They can access our code, projects, whatever they want if we click public. If we click private, they can't access anything. So, okay, go down and create repository. Just click it. Okay. You can see here is your repository will create. Here is your name. Sorry. Here is your name, demo Git. And you see this is public. So this means anybody can access your code, anybody can access your project, whatever they want. And here you can see some of command line they are given by GitHub for creating a new repository. It's commonly they're given by a GitHub. And here is you can see create a new file or uploading an existing file. If you have already a file, you can click uploading an existing file because we already have a file. So we are clicking uploading an existing file. If you don't have, you can click create a new file. Okay, here is just choose your file. Click. Okay, go down. Okay, open. Select all. Okay, open. Okay, here you are looking uploading. Two files are uploaded. So these are the two files are uploaded into our GitHub. So now we're going to click commit changes. After clicking, you can see your repository. There are two files visible there. In the sound, you sorry, you can find the add a readme. Click add a readme. It is for the small purpose of you can memorable your code or your project for the previous. I already told the teamwork is more important. If you have any team, you have a 5 members or something else more than if they all are using one project, it will help for. They don't know how what you do. It's very helpful to them to their next steps. So here is I am typing just my website upload. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, here is typing my website upload. Okay, after that, click commit changes. Commit changes. Again, click. Okay. Now you can see there is a new folder visible here, readme.md. This is the new folder we are including in the README. It's very, I already told, it doesn't have anyone knowledge about your coding. It will help you. You can show them how you prepare your code. Okay. Next, we are going to, if already we are uploading the our project into a GitHub, we going to transfer into our local PC. Now we are going to see what is the step, what are the steps we are following to get into a local PC. Okay, now you are open your Visual Code Studio. Okay, here is you can see the Git demo folder. It already we are opening in our desktop. Okay, now go to the terminal, new terminal. Okay, now we want to get the file into our local PC. So we need to get clone. The file, if we need file, we need to get link. So we going to the again we are going to the our GitHub. Okay, our click our GitHub repository. You can see there is a code. You can click it, and here is you can find the link. Here is your okay. If you click this, it's just copy. Okay, now you can go to the your Visual Studio Code, and here you type git clone, and you can paste your URL. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can use my. Okay. Next, we are going to create a. You can see there is a demo git. You know that our report.
You are muted.
Sir, can't hear.
Hello.
Now okay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay, now we are creating a file login.html. You can see the symbol in a U. That means it's untracked. Untracked means it doesn't visible in your GitHub repository. You can see there is refresh it. Okay, you can see only 3 files are here. But we open in Visual Studio Code, there is a file name is login.html. That means untracked. It's not visible in your GitHub repository. Now we want to push into a GitHub repository. First, we need to change our directory. So cd. Now we type our repository name demo git. Okay, now enter. It changed our directory. Now after that, we want to edit our new file. So git add. Okay, our file name is login.html. Okay, type login.html after enter. Okay, now you can see here it's a symbol changed U into A. It means the login file is attached, but it's not ready to visible. but we want to push into the our GitHub repository. So now we want to commit it. Here we can type git commit and m. M means here is the reference of the what we want to type it. What are the purpose of the meaning? We are typing into uploading the file. That's why we are typing uploading the file. You can type whatever you want. Okay. Now your file is just enter. Now your file is ready to push. Now you can see here is the symbol is not visible. It's the clearly understood. Now our file is ready to push into our GitHub repository. Okay, let's see. The last step is git dot push. Git push, sorry, git push. Just enter. Okay, here is our work is finished. Okay, let's go to our GitHub. Let's see if the file visible or not. Okay, here is you can see login.html just arrived now. Okay, these are the steps of we are getting the file into a local PC into our GitHub repository. I hope you will get it how to get the our repository file on the local PC and local PC file into a repository. Okay, anybody have doubts? If anybody have doubts, you can ask me. Is it clear or not? Okay, now I am again explain the process. First of all, we need to clone our repository link. Here is we can copy the link and we paste into here. You can see it, git clone. Here is the link we paste here. And after that, we change our directory. CD demo git. This demo git is our repository name. After the step, again we need to git at login.html. This line purpose of adding the page. And after that, we need to commit. I told you the steps. Here are the steps in git commit m uploading file. These are the steps going to your file is ready to upload into your GitHub repository. After finishing these steps, finally you going to type git push. It is to going to push your file into your GitHub repository from your local PC. These are the steps of how we get our local PC file into our GitHub repository. I hope you all understand. Now, anybody have any doubts?
Can you again repeat that push? It's
Okay.
last command for him.
Okay. Let's see. It's a you already know we create a file into our repository. This repository we get into from our GitHub. Okay. If we need to get it this repository, we need to clone it. That we need the link from we get it into our GitHub. After get it, we get this demo git file. In this demo git file, we create a new file name is login.html. If we create this file, it's untracked. Untracked. I already told you there is a simple you can see through this window. After that, we need to change into our directory cd demo git. Demo git means our repository name is demo git. We want to change our untracked symbol into a added symbol. We just need to type git at login.html. after we did it, it changed to untracked into edit. It means our file is ready, but we need to commit it. That's why we are typing here git commit and uploading file. This uploading file is the just purpose for typing. We need to understand just that's why we are typing here. You can type here whatever you want. After finishing, the last step is our file is now ready to push into our GitHub repository. So last we just type git push. We are going to push our local PC file into GitHub repository. Now you understand? Here is you can see login.html. This file we already saw this file not here before. Now after the push you can visible here this file. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now last
Sir,
we are going to see how to get free domain for our website, how to get free domain. Now you can go to here is the setting tab. You can just click it, and here is you can see pages. In settings, you can see pages, just click it, and here is the branch. You can see this step has main and none. You can just select main, and here is there is a docs and root. Just click root and just save. After you save, GitHub page so saved. You get this message and wait 2 seconds for the process. Okay, now refresh the page. Now we got the link here. Now this link click visit site. Now you can get the demo of our page. These are the how you get demo free domain. Got it? Okay, just wait 2 seconds. I will show you another page domain. It's the simply way to you can get the domain for your website. Just wait a second. Not arrived. State types. Okay, now you can get the link and your domain name. Now here is the your website. You can get the free domain from this site. Okay, I hope you will get it. Okay, if anybody have doubt, you can ask me. You can chat into the chat box if you have any doubt. Anybody have doubt? Okay, thank you for joining with us and thank you for your support. I hope you all understand. Thank you.